Revealed at last, the brand new laptop battery icons are coming to Windows 11, and Microsoft is finally giving us a better way to check battery status at a glance. A more modern and informative battery charge indicator is rolling out to Windows 11, and here's your first detailed look at the redesigned icons that are already turning heads. Microsoft recently announced these exciting new features for Windows 11, and as always, they'll be introduced first to Windows 11 insiders before making their way to the general public. One major highlight is a refresh battery icon, which finally brings visual clarity, replacing the outdated black symbol that barely gave us any meaningful information. This change was initially supposed to arrive last month, but Microsoft delayed the rollout at the last minute. Now the wait is over. Windows 11 insiders are first to experience the updated battery display, and it's packed with functionality and smartphone-like polish. Say goodbye to the plain, dull icon and welcome a new design language that mimics what we're used on Android and iOS. These new battery icons offer a vivid, easy-to-understand interface with vibrant colors and updated symbols to clearly show charge levels. Here's what's changing. The battery icon will appear when your PC is unplugged, while the energy saver icon now turns yellow when active. Charging status is represented by a green lightning bolt icon, while smart charging now indicates battery protection in action. If you're experiencing slow charging, an error icon with a filled color shows up. A narrow red bar will alert you when your battery dips below 5%, and if your system can't detect the battery, it will now show a cross symbol labeled battery unknown. The new design is slightly wider than before, which makes it easier to visually track how much juice you have left as the bar fills or empties. This small tweak makes a big usability difference, especially for laptop users on the go. Testers have already previewed these icons and love the clearer indicators, especially the color coding. Red, yellow, and green instantly catch your eye and convey urgency or safety at a glance. This change aligns with the look and feel of smartphones, where clarity and aesthetics go hand in hand. Microsoft even ensured that the new icons match your selected theme. So, if you're using the classic light theme, the battery will appear black when fully charged. Switch to dark mode, and the icon will turn white, offering visual harmony across your desktop. These icons aren't just a visual upgrade. They're a usability win, especially for those who rely on quick glances to manage battery life during work, travel, or presentations. Microsoft is taking a big step toward a cleaner, more intuitive interface, something users have wanted for a long time. The update will soon be available to everyone, but if you're a Windows insider, you can experience it today. And while this might seem like a small cosmetic tweak, it's these small touches that elevate the overall Windows experience and keep it feeling fresh and competitive in the modern tech landscape. It's a smart move by Microsoft to align with user expectations from mobile OS ecosystems while still honoring the personalization flexibility Windows users love. Whether you're a student, creator, gamer, or just someone who works long hours on a laptop, the new battery indicators will make managing your power status faster, easier, and a whole lot better looking. This is just one of many upcoming visual improvements in Windows 11 that aim to modernize the interface without sacrificing performance or clarity. So keep an eye out for your system update, and once these new icons land, you'll notice the difference immediately. Microsoft is clearly listening to feedback and responding with updates that matter. As always, we'll be here to keep you in the loop with everything happening in the world of tech. For more updates like this, subscribe and stay tuned to TechVerse.